Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Model Car Guy Rich here. Today I've got an unboxing of a Dodge L-700 tilt cab. And I didn't realize until I put the camera in front of it, this is a Lindberg kit. 125 scale. I'm going to go ahead and tear into this one. Oh, all kinds of good info on here. Let me show you that. There's the back, obviously. Sides. This one says it has a tilting cab, steerable front wheels, hinged operating doors, realistic V8 truck engine, and super high mile vinyl tires. Alrighty. Pretty neat. This is kit number 73067. I'm going to go ahead and cut into this one for you guys. Hope everyone's having a great day. If you think about it, go ahead on down there and hit that subscribe button for me. I'd sure appreciate it. Oh boy. That one's fairly easy to get into. And we have, oh, this is another one of them like music box, cake box things maybe. I don't. Oh, this one opens from the end, guys. Yeah, that's different. Surprised me on that one. I'm going to go ahead and just dump it all out, okay? Try and do it gentle. That's all she wrote in there. Huh. All kinds of crazy ways they open these boxes, eh? Alright. I'll go ahead and put that up there. And right off the top we have a bag full of parts. This one has tape on it. So obviously Lindberg is doing that for a while. Last time I opened the Lindberg kit that had tape on it, I didn't know if I'd done it years ago or not. Alrighty. What do we have? All kinds of goodies. There's something flew out of there. We got one of those. Looks like a steering knuckle. Some wheel backings. Some deep ones, and these little ones here, I guess, for the front wheels. More wheel parts and frame parts, it looks like. Here we have mud flaps. They don't appear to say anything on them. Here's the other steering knuckle. The steering column, some shocks, brake and clutch pedal assembly, small little drive shaft. And I'm not sure what those are. Piece of the framing, I'm assuming. We'll see when we get into instructions what it is. And here we have the fenders that go. Can you see it on camera? Yeah, the little half fenders that are up there. Some inner cab parts, or inner fender wheel area parts. Radiator, shroud. Nice fan. Looks like 7-blade fan. That's pretty sharp looking. Very realistic looking. This here's the cab support that goes, it mounts on the back. Let me see if I can show you. I think that, yeah. It's this little piece right here. It mounts on the back of the frame and where the body of the cab sits down on and locks in on. There's a fancy name for it. I can't think of it off the top of my head though. Here's your pulley and fan belt assembly. And a little button. It's the first time I've looked into one of these kits. I've got a couple of them. And I thought it'd be a nice change for you guys. Here's the fifth wheel. Very nicely detailed. Some exhaust. This is the part with the tip sticking out. And this will probably be the section that goes on the back here. And this part will act as a climbing rail or mounting bracket. Front I-beam for the wheels. Fuel tanks, halves. Nice multi-leaf springs for the suspension. That's very, very well done. A lot of nice detail on this kit, guys. Got 3 seats. Got your driver's seat and your passenger seat, and then the middle jump seat, they will call that. Engine block, engine heads, another air tank, These could be wheel chocks. Intake manifold here is upside down. Not sure that's either the water pump or the timing chain cover. Some miscellaneous framing pieces, seat backs, one of the axles. Oh, it's only axle. I thought it had dual axles in the back, but it doesn't. It's got a single axle. So this is the rear end differential and all that goodies. Power steering pump maybe. License plate, some fiddly bits there. Alright. Now that was that bag. And for this bag, cut this one open too. It's got a big chunk of tape on it. Thinking about making this one in my next build. Alrighty. That's a big bag. Well, here's the body right off the top. It's going to have opening doors like it said on the box. Very nice. Minimal flashing. Nice classic front end look there. Very reminiscent of the Little Red Wagon, the wheel stander from back in the day. Not too slick, but you know, still going to wash it up real nice before we paint it. Nice quality, decent plastic, you know, decent thickness. This is the inner part of the cab, what I would normally call your interior tub, but it's got outside parts attached to it too. This will go down like that, and this becomes your step to get into the cab. Very nice. Not a whole lot going on there as far as detail, but there's enough little pieces in here included that'll make up for that. Very cool. And here are the doors. Not the ones with Jim Morrison and Ray Manzarek, but the doors that go to the cab. Yep. Okay. Some, I don't know what those are. Big lightning bolts. That's what we got. They're lightning bolts. Probably not. All right. These I think are the mirrors. Yep. And here are the wheels. Pretty standard looking wheels. Nice detail though, a little bit of flashing, clean them up real nice. Here's your inner door panels. This here is part of the support for the cab. Dashboard it looks like right here, maybe? Yeah, dashboard there. Very simplistic, not a lot of detail, maybe some decals to cover that up. Air cleaner, valve covers, maybe oil filler plug caps, steering column. Here's the steering wheel. That's really nice looking. I think these are part of the door hinges. This will be your front grille right here. Upside down, goes that way. Right there. That's pretty nice. I'm going to do the chrome because it's right here. We have the front bumper. These are, I think these are headlights, and then there'll be a piece of clear that'll go over it. Nice windshield wipers, miscellaneous door handles, very nice. Shifters, antenna. Let's see here. Oh, that's it for chrome. Then we got the clear parts. And because they're open, we're going to check them out. Nice windshield. Capability of tracing out some black outline on there, make it look sharp for detailing. Here's your side windows and the rear window. A little piece of fuzz on there or a little scratch. Yep. Here's the headlights that go over those chrome pieces. That's really nice. Go ahead and put that back in the bag to keep it protected. And then, last but not least, oh wait, something else here. Here's two extra little, looks like marker lights, maybe for right here. The orange parts. Amber colored lights. Alright. And for tires, tear into this one. There we go. Should be 6. Let's see what we got here. Yep, 6 wheels. They appear to be all the same. I'll go through and check the treads. Maybe some are different. Nope, they're all the same tread. Sometimes your steer tires have different tread than the drive tires. And these are very nice quality. Very, very dense, but not, real thick. They're Goodyears. And if you can read it real good, there's the size right there, but I can't read it, guys. I'm not going to put you through that. Alrighty. That's the tires. And here we have, wow, no decals in this kit, guys. Alright. And nice little write-up bit here on the Dodge L-700. Was a medium-duty gasoline engine tilt cab tractor. Built on an 89-inch wheelbase. You can go ahead and finish that up when you get a chance. If you get the opportunity to pick this kit up, I suggest it'd be a nice addition to any collection. Here's assemble your motor, front axles. Oh, brake boosters are even included in that. Nice, very nice. Still looking for them funny little lightning bolt things, maybe on the next page. Nice detail for your interior. Yeah, I'm sorry, guys. I didn't. Oh, is that it? There? Yeah, there it is, right there. It's part of the mirror framing to attach it to your outside of your cab. The little zigzag looking lightning bolt. Okay. Well, that's pretty cool. Show you how to hook up your lines and everything. Pretty neat. Some nice tow hooks for the front. Very cool. Well, there you have it, folks. I appreciate your time. Thank you for stopping by. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe most of all, and share the passion of model car building with everyone, and have yourselves a great day. Keep on modeling. See you on the next one.